Okay, guys, in this video, we are going to continue talking about solving quadratic equations by using a quadratic formula. So in example 2, let's take a look at the values of a, b, and c. So here a equals 1, right? Because x squared is just 1x squared, okay? So then b equals -7. So be careful. If it's negative, that is part of b. And then c equals 4. So that would be like the number without the x in it. Okay, so then all we're doing is just putting this into Desmos and figuring out how many solutions we're going to have. So a is still 1, b is now -7, and c equals 4. So what it does, it tells me that d equals 33. So that's the first thing that I need to note, that d equals 33, which tells me because it's positive, I have two solutions. But when we look at the answers are not nice. And also discriminant 33 is not a complete square. It's not a square of some number. So if it were something like 36, that would be square root of 6. And so then you would have nice solutions, rational solutions, just like fractions or integers. But in this case, that's not happening. So Desmos is really not going to help you anymore. What you need to do is substitute into the formula. So let me write down the formula. The first solution is going to look like this: minus b plus square root of d divided by 2a. So what you need to do is substitute everything in there. So I'm going to put minus. Then the next thing I have to do is put b, and whatever b was, I'm going to plug it right here in parentheses. This is very important. Anything you plug in, especially if it's negative, you got to put it in parentheses. So I'm going to put it in parentheses and stick the value of b, which is -7, in there. Then it'll be plus square root. Then I put d, and d is 33. So that's just going to go here as 33 divided by 2a. So 2a means 2 multiplied by a. So 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so let's see if we can rewrite this. We're almost done, basically. So negative turns into a positive. So this actually will become +7. So always remember that when you put that minus b, you get an opposite of b. So like if b was -7, you'll get +7. If b was 7, then you'll get -7. So you basically have to flip the sign. Then it's plus square root of 33 and then divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So that's the first solution. It is very easy to find the second solution because then all you're doing is just changing the sign to a minus. So your answer is going to look like this. So it'll be 7 plus square root of 33 divided by 2. That's the first solution. And then 7 minus square root of 33 divided by 2, which will be the second solution. So I would always recommend checking to make sure that that is actually the same. So if I were to do the fraction and put 7 plus square root of 33 divided by 2, it does look like my solution corresponds gave me, and so that means it's correct. For the second one, it's going to be 7 minus square root of 33 over 2, so that also matches the second solution that Desmos gave me. So I am good.